Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through the fastest growing community in Jamaica. This is Drax on the north coast of Jamaica. It's located in St. Ann. Now this area has just boomed with development. It is between St. Anne's Bay and Ocherius. It's right next to Miami Bay. Now, nobody saw this rapid development coming. That's why the infrastructure in Draxall has to be upgraded very quickly. And in particular, the road. This is the main road. It's 2 lanes. And as you can see, it's very busy. So they have to expand this road from 2 lanes to 4 lanes. Now where we're coming up to the stoplight, if you turn right, you would go up to Steertown. And coming up on the left is going to be the Booth gas station. It's also a plaza with a BPO over there. And you know, whenever you have a BPO, you have a lot of people. But the reason why Draxall grew so fast is because of the residential communities. Thousands of homes were built, and the developments in Draxall are very large. So if somebody's building a housing development, it's probably going to be 700 homes, 1,000 homes. And when they started to build them, they were sold off. And then another development was done, sold off. A lot of Jamaicans in the diaspora are investing in Draxall. So as soon as they build the homes, they are sold. As a matter of fact, as they start construction, they are sold. And because the developments went up so quickly and were sold so quickly, you have a lot of people living in Draxall. And then you have the commercial buildings that are now coming because there's no gas station. Sorry, there's only one gas station. But there is no bank, there is no post office, there were no restaurants. You have 2 now. KFC recently opened a store, Starbucks. So they're all coming. But other fast food chains, commercial offices, they're not in Draxall, but they are coming. Everybody wants a store or a location in Draxall. And so you have about 20 commercial buildings under construction, in addition to more housing developments. Now we're coming up by Miami Bay by the roundabout to get on the highway. And it's safe to say the highway played a huge part in the development of Draxall. You can get from Kingston to Draxall in 45 minutes on the highway. You can get to Draxall from Montego Bay on the Northern Coastal Highway. This is the road we're looking at now. And this road is also going to be expanded to 4 lanes to accommodate all of the traffic going between Montego Bay and Ocherius. So we'll keep you guys updated on what's going on in Draxall, but the road definitely needs to be expanded on the entire Northern Coastal Highway from Montego Bay to Ocherius. But the section of the road that goes through Draxall, it needs to be expanded first. I think they should modify the project. The expansion of the Northern Coastal Highway, that's the name of the project, to expand this road to 4 lanes. They should break it into 2 parts. The section where Draxall is located, that should be done first, and that should be done immediately. This other section now from Draxall to Montego Bay could be done second or after, because it's a longer stretch of road. It involves building bypasses. You're going to get a bypass from Runaway Bay and Discovery Bay, and so it's going to take longer. But right now, you can't slow down the progress that's going on in Draxall. Now, if it's going to take you 2 hours just to pass through the Draxall area, it's going to be a problem. So the government needs to make the Draxall Road, the expansion of the Northern Coastal Highway that goes through Draxall and Miami Bay, a priority. It needs to be done as quickly as possible. So I think they should split the project into 2 parts, phase 1, phase 2. Make phase 1, in phase 1, you expand the Northern Coastal Highway. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Enjoy the rest of the video. Alright guys, have a good day.